We got an iseki lawnmower, got a 2-cylinder iseki diesel engine. Runs good. It's an, yeah, the machine is overall in bad shape. You can see that clearly. Does not have power steering, have regular one. Engine runs good, the tires look good. Got a collect system. Mower deck's over here, it's cracked, you have to weld it. You have to put some plates in it to weld this shaft up. But you can definitely make that mower deck in good shape again if you put some work in it. So I'm going to push the brakes in, turn it left so the glow plugs goes on. You have to wait a few seconds to heat the engine up. The engine is good. You go hydrostatic, this is forward, this is backwards. So if you push it, you go forward. You have to put it in neutral again, this is backwards. You stop it, okay. Engine does not smoke. That's good. Got a little bit of play, not really much. Let's say it's handleable. You can definitely drive with it. You have to do some maintenance on it. That's clearly. Let's put it out so you can hear me better. Definitely need some maintenance. The mower deck needs welding. Put a plate in it, then you can stick it back under the machine again and it works again. You got a collector. This one is in good shape. Does not got cracks or the big holes in it or something like that. It's nog in decent shape. It's a project, but it runs, it drives, but needs some maintenance.